Today's concept is that tens into tens digit. Okay, if you visit our thumbnail, then you understand that how to solve, or in this lecture what you have to learn. Okay, so today we have to learn in this lecture that how to solve a tens into tens multiplication sums. Okay, if you have a doubt that what is tens into tens, so you solve this doubt, or you have to learn tens into tens in this lecture. Okay, so hello friends and welcome back to your channel, my Vedic Max book. Today we have to learn the tens into tens digit. Okay, so first one important notice there, if you want a text solution, then check out our link in the description, my vedicmaxbook.blogspot.com. Okay, today content tens into tens digit. But first we have to revise our last lecture, that how to solve a series of 1. Okay, the higher level concept. Let's take an example of this question. 21,431 into 111 means 111. Okay, now first you have to write the question in the separation method. Okay, if in your mind one doubt is there, what is separation method? Separation method means that here our question, right? Yeah, our question is like this. Okay, 21,431 into 111. Okay, this is our question. Okay, this is our question. Now in this question you have to write simply you have to write this question means first you have to write 2, then you have to leave some space, then 1, then you have to leave some space, then 4, then 3, or then last 1. Okay, now simply in our answer, okay, the first digit, the question of first digit and the last digit in our answer, the digit are same. So okay, means the first digit 2 and the last digit 1. Okay, means like our answer is like this: 2 4 3 2 1. Okay, and last digit is right here and first digit right here. Okay, here. So our first digit and last digit as it is here we have to copy down. Okay, now you have to first write the constant. Okay, what is the constant of 2? The constant of 2 means 2, so you have to write as it is 2 here. Okay, in every 2 digit, for example now here you are. Okay, after 2, sorry, before 2 there was no digit, so you copy 2, write this. Okay, at downside. Now we are in the 1 place. Before 1 there was 1 digit. Okay, so 2 plus 1, so we add 2 and plus 1, our answers comes 3. Okay, means when we add 2 and 1 our answers comes 3. Now we are in a fourth. Okay, last to third digit 4. Before 4 there was 2 digit. Okay, means you have to understand that, means any digit we take here 4 only. Before 4 only you have required 2 digit. Okay, not more than 2 digit. Whenever the more than 2 digit was given, so you have to cut the last digit. Okay, then you receive a 2 digit before 4. So now simply you have to add 3 numbers. Okay, whenever you are in the third place, so simply you have to add only 3 numbers, not more than 3. Okay, so now you have to add 2 1 plus 4. Okay, when you add 2 plus 1 plus 4, your answers comes 7. Your answers come 7. Now you are in the third place, means last to second place, and before 3 there was 3 digit was given, but here we have required only 2 digit, so cancel 2. Okay, what is you can't understand, what is 2 you can't know. Now here we get here 3 digits. Okay, now you have to add 1 plus 4 plus 3. Okay, 1 plus 4 plus 3. When you add 1 plus 4 plus 3, your answers comes 8. Okay, now here we are in the last digit. Okay, last digit. After before 1 there was 3 digit was given, so now cancel this one also. Now here the 1 2 and with 3 digit was given. Now you have to add 4 plus 3 plus 1. Okay, whenever you add 4 plus 3 plus 1, okay, your answers comes 8. 8. Okay, means now when you are in the last to fourth place, before one there was one digit was given, so you simply you add 2 plus 1. Okay, as it is here only. Now here you are in last to second place. Okay, sorry, last, okay, last digit you are here. Now simply here the last two digit. Okay, when the sum becomes to the end in the last number, so simply you have to add last two digit. Okay, now you have to add 3 plus 1. Okay, our answers comes 4, and the constant of 1 means 1 as it is here. Okay, I erase this. Now we receive here some digits. Okay, like 2 3 7 8 8 4 1. Okay, so here we write this all digit as it is. Okay, 2 3 7 8 8 4 and 1. Now you have one doubt, what is this number? Okay, this is your answer. Okay, this is your answer of this question, means 21,431 into 111. When you multiply these sums, your answers comes this. Okay, this is 199%. This answer will be right. Okay, you understand this lecture, means these sums. Okay, if you want a detailed explanation, then you check our channel, or you have to check I button for a better explanation. Okay, I put there a video link. Okay, now begin to our today topic or today concept, tens into tens digit. Okay, let's start. Let's take an example for a better understanding. Here we take some example. Okay, 12 into 13. Now 12 into 13, we take one example here. This is means in the world, this is very simple method to solve tens into tens digit. Okay, means here we write that 0, ones, tens, 100, like that. Means here we are talking about these 10 digit. Okay, after one there are any digit. Now here first we have to write, but here we have to can't write the separation method. Okay, here we have to write direct only, means 12 into 13. Okay, we write in big digit. Now you have to add this 12 in the next unit place. Okay, means you have to add this 12 in the next unit place, means 3. Means when you add 12 plus 3, okay, when you add 12 plus 3, your answers comes 15. Now you have to multiply these two, means unit place, to the next 3. Okay, now I understand in detail that first you have to add this 12. Okay, this 12 to the next unit place, when your answers comes 15. Now you have to multiply. Here you have to do add, and here you have to do multiply. Okay, add and multiply. In the upside you have to do add, and downside you have to do multiply. But in the downside multiplication you have to forget this one, you have to multiply only these two. Okay, now multiply these two, you have to multiply to the next 3. Okay, in this is 1, this one is not important, only last unit digit 3 was important. Okay, when you multiply 2 and 3, your answers comes, when you multiply 2 and 3, your answers comes 16. Okay, means 16. Now I erase. Okay, I erase this all. Now when you multiply this 12 and 30 by using this method, tens by tens, you receive here 3 digit. Okay, 1, 5 and 6. Now check your answers. When you multiply 12 and 13, your answers come 156. Okay, means first you have to multiply. Okay, first you have to multiply this 12, first you have to add this 12 in the next unit place, means 12 plus 3, your answers comes this 15. Now you have to, in the downside you have to multiply this 2 into next unit place, means unit place to unit place. Here when you multiply unit place to unit place, The answers comes 6. Now you have to combine that digit and the answers comes 156 is your right answer. Okay. Let's take some another examples for a better understanding. Here we take 4 questions. Okay. 12 into 13, 13 into 14, 16 into 15 or the 17 into 12. Okay. Here we solve the 4 questions. Okay. Sorry, 5 questions. 12 into 19 also. So here we write this all 5 questions in the line. First we have to solve this question. Okay, means line by line we have to solve question. Here the question number 1 we solve in the last page. Okay, now here the question number 2 times. Okay, means here we have to multiply 13 into 14. Okay, in this question you have to multiply 13 into 14. So simply I write here in big digit 13 into 14. Now simply here you have to apply balancing carryover rule. Okay, what is balancing carryover rule? Then in the last lecture in the subtraction I explained you that what is the balancing carryover rule. Okay, you can check our channel, but I explain in this lecture also. First simply you have to add this 13 to the next place, means the next unit place. Okay, this 10th place is not important. Okay, you have to remove it, only you have to focus on this unit place. Now you have to add this 13 to the next place. Okay, when you add 13 plus 4, okay, when you add 13 plus 4 your answers comes 18. Now here in the downside here you do addition. Now in the downside unit place into unit place, when you multiply 4 into 3 your answers comes 12. So here you have to do big slash and here you have to write 12. Okay, now here 18 and 12. Now here you have to apply a balance and carryover rule. Okay, what is balance and carryover rule? You can check out our channel or I explain here also. Balance and carryover rule. Okay, means this 2 means unit place you have to drop as it is. Now the 10th place you have to do carry to the next one unit place, means 8 plus 1 the answers comes 9, and this one as it is you have to write here. Okay, it means that when you multiply okay, when you multiply 13 and 14 your answers comes 192. 192 is your final answer. Okay, final answer of your question. Its method is called balance and carryover rule. Okay, let's solve the third number question. Okay, let's solve the third number question. 16 into 15. 16 into 15 I write here in big digit 16 into 15. Now simply you have to add this 16 to the next unit place. When you add your answers comes 21. Okay, means 16 plus 5 your answers comes 21. Now in the downside you have to multiply 6 and 5. Okay, when you multiply 6 and 5 your answers comes 13. Now I erase this all. Now you have to apply a balance and carryover rule. I write 21 and 30. Now simply you have to drop 0 as it is. Now you have to do this 3 add or a borrow in the next unit place. Okay, means 3 plus 1 answers comes 4 and 2 as it is you have to write here. Means your answer when you multiply 16 into 15 your answers comes 240. 240 is your final answer of this question. Okay, now let's solve question number 4. 17 and 12. Okay, simply I write 70 and 12 in a big digit. Now simply you have to add this 70 to the next unit place. Okay, when you add this 70 to the next unit place your answers comes 19. Now you have to do big slash. Now this 7 means unit place to unit place you have to multiply, means when you multiply 7 and 2 your answers comes 14. Okay, your answers comes 14. I write here in big digit 19 and 14. Now simply you have to drop 4 as it is in downside. You have to do this 1 plus means do borrow in the next unit place. When you do this, your answers comes 10. Okay, so here you have to write only 0 and you have to do plus 1 in the next place means 2. Okay, 1 plus 1 2. It means that when you multiply 17 into 12, when you multiply 17 into 12, your answers comes 204, means 204 is your final answer. Okay, if you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the chat section. I will solve your doubt easily. Now let's solve a last question. Okay, the last question is that 18 and 19 18 and 19. Okay, now this is very easy method. If you understand this method, then in this world never you can face in the multiplication sums any problem. Okay, so simply now you have to add this 18 to the next unit place means 9. When you add 18 and 9, your answers comes 27. Now you have to do big slash. Now unit place to unit place you have to do multiplication, means upper side you have to do plus and down side you have to do multiply. Unit place to unit place. When you multiply 9 and 8, your answers come 72. Okay, now you receive here 2 digit. Okay, 27 and 72. Now here you have to apply balance and carryover rules, means it means that you have to drop 2 as it is here downside. Now this 7 you have to add in the next unit place, means 7 plus 7, your answers comes 14. But here you have to write only 4 and do plus 1 in the next unit place, means now here 2 and plus 2 plus 1, your answers comes 3. It means that when you multiply 18 and 19, your answers comes 342. It means that 342 is your answer of 18 into 19. Okay, this is very easy method if you understand this method. And if you forgot to subscribe our channel, then subscribe to our channel. And in the previous, if you want to attend our previous lecture, then check out our link. Now what you learn from this lecture? You learn from this lecture that how to solve a 10 into 10 sums. If you have any doubt, then tell me in the comment section. I solve your doubt by easily. Now what you have to learn in the next lecture? You have to learn in the next lecture that how to solve any numbers into tens. For example, 2132 into 12. Okay. Now my Vedic Max book. One important note is there, if you want a text solution, then check out our link in the description, myvedicmaxbook.blogspot.com. Hello students, I hope you learn some new things, or then subscribe to our channel. And if you learn some new method, then press the like button, and don't forget to share our channel to your friend for our upcoming lecture. Till that, be safe and thanks for watching the full video.